Hello, P1. Once again, I'm back with mathematics. Hope you're doing well, you're healthy, you're playing, you're watching TV, as well as learning. Okay? My name is Violet, as usual, and hope you're now ready for another lesson of mathematics. Still, we are looking at tens and ones, remember? We started with counting tens and ones, we drew tens and ones, we added tens and ones, we subtracted tens and ones, and today we are going to look at how we show tens and ones on the abacus, right? Okay. When we are representing, do you know what an abacus is? You can as well make an abacus yourself. You can make it yourself. But right now, we are going to see how we represent on the abacus. An abacus looks like this. It has tens and ones, okay? So when we are making an abacus, we get a stick there, another stick there, and another stick there. That is what we call an abacus, okay? So we are going to show tens and ones, or we are going to count tens and ones on the abacus. On this abacus, we always use beads. We use beads. Look at this abacus now. I have tens, I have ones. On the tens, I have one bead, another bead, and another one. Then in the place of ones, I have one bead, another one, and another one. So now, we are going to count our tens and ones. We have already put our beads on the abacus. Now we are going to count. How many ones do we have? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means we have 4 in the place of ones. But remember, they are in the same line with the number, okay? And when we are putting beads, our beads drop down. They don't drop in the middle. When you put it, it goes down. Then another one will sit on another one will sit on another one. There is no space. Let's go to the tens and we see. How many do we have on the tens? We have 1, 2, 3. Can you now read the number we've counted on our abacus? It is 34. Our number is 34, okay? So that's how simple it is, counting tens and ones on the abacus, right? Let me show you another one. Number 2. On my abacus, I have tens and ones. The place of ones, I have nothing. The place of tens, we have one bead, another one. We are now going to count. How many tens do we have? How many ones do we have? Together, let's look at the ones. How many do we have on the ones? We have nothing, so it is 0. In the place of tens, how many do we have? Let's count. 1, 2. Now, can you together read with me the number? 20. We have made 20 from our abacus. Isn't it simple? Should I give you this one? This one is yours. Very fast. Get a ruler. Draw the abacus. Put beads. Count and write for me the number. As I'm writing, you're writing. As I'm drawing, you're drawing with a straight line. This time I've made that abacus. Now look here. My beads start from down, as I've told you. They start from down. When I'm drawing beads, I start from down. I don't start from up. I start from down. Can you count and write for me the numbers very fast? Then you read the number very fast. I'm giving you only 2 minutes. Have you finished writing tens and ones? Have you drawn the abacus? Put the beads, count them. What you've counted is what you should draw. Then on the tens, how many? Count. Draw that one. Okay. Now count and write for me the number. Count very fast and write for me the number. You written the number for ones? For tens? Okay. Which number have you written? Read it. Now here we are. Look at how I'm going to do mine, and you compare with yours. If it's correct, you're going to mark it. Or somebody seated near you will see that your work is correct. Okay. We are counting ones first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I write my 5 here. A clear number 5. Okay? Then I go to the tens. How many do I have? 1. My number is 15. My number is 15. Somebody's telling me, teacher, give me work. Teacher, give me work. Okay. Let me give you one more number, then I give you work. I have another abacus there. There you go. I've given you another one number here. Write the tens and ones, and you have to leave some space. Don't squeeze. I know some of you will squeeze the tens and ones. No, it will not be neat. Put some little space. Draw the lines. And draw the answer lines down. And these answer lines must be on your line in that book. Don't draw any line in the middle of the line of the book. Your books have lines. I want these answer lines to sit on a line. This one must sit on a line, another one also on another line down. Okay? Are you done? Now count. How many ones do you have? Write the number very fast. Finished. Let's go to the tens. Count them. Write the number. Which number have you written? Oh, okay. Now let's see whether yours is correct. I have ones, and in the place of ones I have 1, 2. So I write 2 there. Do you have 2? Okay, let's go to tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. And my number is 42. My number is 42. Do you have 42? Then you're correct. So I'm going to give you just some few numbers. You do them for me, right? This is what I'm going to give you. You're going to use your ruler, draw straight lines to draw the abacus. Put the beads. Your beads must start from down. They must start from down, and each bead sits on another bead, okay? Don't draw and separate. If you draw the beads like this, this one is wrong. Have you ever seen beads standing in space? Have you ever seen them? No. They have to sit from down. They sit on each other. So this is what I want, right? Okay. I'm going to give you some few numbers, and you do them later. This is my number 1. Don't draw for me these dashes. Instead, just write my numbers. I will see them, okay? Number 2. This is number 2. R. Number 3 is here. Number 4. Given you just 4 numbers. Settle down, draw the abacus very well, and you write for me the numbers. After writing the numbers, you read them, okay? Thank you so much for being good children. I will come back with another lesson of the abacus when we are going to draw tens and ones. Be good children. Be nice. Thank you.